Hello everyone and welcome to our podcast सोच के तो देखो. We, the students of B section of Nagandas Khanwala College, are back with some more interesting facts and knowledge. Here is the episode 6 wherein we are going to discuss about how artificial intelligence is capturing employment.
Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Investments in 2011 to 2018 were around $50 billion, and investments in 2020 itself were around $62 billion. And an example related to the emotional quotient, which is robots will do the work of the doctor, that is, which medicine to give and what to do, but it won't do the job of the nurse, like it won't tell the patient that you will be okay, or it won't make the patient feel comfortable.
A technological revolution is a period in which one or more technologies is replaced by another. Novel technology in a short amount of time. It is an era of accelerated technological progress characterized by new innovations whose rapid application and diffusion typically cause an abrupt change in society. One of the examples is telemarketing. Telemarketing is one of the jobs that is likely to be overtaken first with the use of robots. The next is automated shipping services. From the most companies are likely to be in the near future, leaving the individuals who are involved in shipping plans and business to become unemployed.
We need artificial intelligence because with the help of it, our work can be much easier. So it's a good idea to automate the routine work, and also this saves the manpower of the organization and also increases the productivity. Additionally, with the help of artificial intelligence, the company can also get the skilled person for the development of the company. Moreover, the company today think that they want to machinize all the regular and routine work, and they think they can automate those regular works through the simple program, because with the development of data science, automation become more common. The overall research goal of artificial intelligence is to create technology that allows computers and machines to function in an intelligent manner.
Solutions to safeguard our jobs. First, focus on some kind of creative skills, talent, and put out in a real world, because it can replace any job which requires years of learning, but it cannot replace human creativity. Second, upskilling to power ahead our careers. Learn multiple skills. Third, working on our emotional quotient. Fourth, create a lot of knowledge in our minds, getting multiple perspectives. Fifth, make sure you develop strong relationship with other people. That way, if you are ever in a situation where artificial intelligence can take over your role, you will be assigned to another, and probably a better one. A more open mind is the mind with higher IQ.